welcome to Trina's Humble Homestead. Today is part 2 of going through my garden day. It started with my son Matthew coming over to help. We had a fun morning of him taking some drone shots of my town here. He used it in my intro, which was super fun, and he just showed some pictures. And then we went out to tackle the yard, which I did show you the hot mess we started out with. It was quite the mess, but what normally would take me weeks to do, my son, he is just so fit and in shape and super fast. Took him just a couple hours. So let's look and see what we got done. He was such a big help, and I'm so excited that he came over. We're going to have such a fun year. So here's a look of what we did. We started by pulling up the fabric cloth and all of the weeds, and then we went to town. I burned those weeds over in the fire pit, and then Matthew got to tilling. He used my little electric tiller. I think I do have a video on the tiller that I have. It's just a little electric one, but it certainly did the job. And then after that, we laid some fabric cloth down, and that is where we got. We're gonna burn holes another day because we want all the weeds underneath to die. So we did that, and then we attempted to work on the greenhouse, and we will show you how that went and continue with the greenhouse build. We are on day 2 of this greenhouse. My son Matthew, who is here helping me with my garden today, has decided to fix what went wrong yesterday. And after 4.5 hours and 4 people yesterday, we've got my son, who literally did my entire garden in like 2 hours. Well, in my herb garden, and here, I'll show you what he did. He did that whole thing over there. And there's the chickens. And he did some drone footage, and now he's doing this. It's like Superman over there. He's trying, he said, but he's more than trying. He's getting it done. So we will show you this when it's done.
It's really easy. So let's just take these 4 screws out.
We are now on to phase number 100. Phase number 134.
Day 2, and this is insanely hard, but we're gonna get it right now.
We are not giving this greenhouse any sort of positive recommendations.
That's the way it would stay on there to see it. Okay.
Are we, Marty? We're not giving any sort of positive recommendations.
Yeah. At this point,
I'm not pointing it at you.
Send me a free one, like, and then maybe
try to.
Instructions.
There's a screwdriver up there, on there that will work.
This one.
Yeah, that one is over there. The one that my son was using is up there.
I brought all the metal, like the little hooky ones like you were using. The little angle ones, they were here too.
So we saw yesterday there was lots of shouting and cursing going on with several people. And then we saw earlier that my son and I took the whole thing top part and tried to put it back together. And now look at the and the girls are back because we're going to get it right this time. But we're letting you know that this is very frustrating. And if this company wants to send Marty one that she can try with real directions and all of the pieces, that we're not missing any pieces, we would try again. Otherwise, we're not giving it any sort of nice recommendation because it's very frustrating. And this is my 3rd greenhouse that I've attempted to have in this yard in North Dakota. The other 2 that I was sent blew away. So we are going to get this. Marty's super optimistic right now.
Yeah, we got this.
Okay. Look at this. They have it together. It's amazing. It only took 2 days, but you know what?
Once they beer and wine.
And as long as they got it in the right way, everything looks like it's working.
That's what I was saying.
So what was the original problem, Marty? Was there...
So
The door thing was wrong on this part. And then these things.
Yep, this was flipped upside down wrong, and then these ones were flipped wrong because we needed the little whole dooflinky to put these funny edge things that you twist, these twist to tighteners. These tighteners need I don't know, they shouldn't work. Well, here's part of the door though.
Yay.
Okay, so these are the ones I'm talking about.
Yeah, they go on.
So do the instructions help at all?
Instructions can suck a wiener.
Okay. Well,
They're terrible. Like if I've ever in my entire life, I mean, I don't even know. Like, I'm gonna watch the guy that built this, that made the instructions. Let's have him get him drunk, spin him around something so he doesn't remember exactly, and then have him put it together by that picture, and then let's see. I wonder if he actually, I bet you whoever drew this up has never put it together before, because they would have done a better job on the picture. I mean, that's terrible, crazy. I've never I almost lost my marbles. I was screaming.
Directions are easier.
So you heard it firsthand from here, folks.
But I will take a free one because that's crazy.
And now that she knows how to put it together.
I probably won't even be able to get it that way anyway. That's super cute though. I like it. Once it's up, it's great.
It's just getting it up.
It's getting it up, yeah. And the pic that as absolutely.
And we've had a total of 5 people in 2 days working on this.
Yeah.
Just saying.
Absolutely crazy.
But these two
There was 2 guys though only.
2 guys, but these 2 women are really the ones that kind of got it together.
Okay, what is that?
Just letting you know. These 2 women are the ones that really got it completed.
Yeah, because, we don't need a man to do the job. Well, the man's the one that drew that silly.
Ditto.
Mm-hmm.
Agree.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, so I think I'm going to use these big ones right here.
This is not going nowhere. Look at
This is what I have to do is finish with a bottle.
There you go.
You don't even need a wine glass. Right there.
This is how Marty finishes her job. There you go. Now I can get you in there.
How far away was that yesterday?
There's my rubber mallet I've been looking everywhere for.
You need to put your tools away when you're done with them.
I was in the shed looking.
Same trouble at our house.
I was in the garage looking.
What is that? A track? A white thing?
Yeah, that was. Yeah,
for us.
got her.
Yep,
Got her. Here, let's
Okay, so
check this out with the door. Look at.
Like this.
Oh, that's so fancy. Look at the inside. Woo!
One and done.
Very happy about that. It's awfully nice.
Okay, girl. What are we doing?
Okay, fam, so here is the finished greenhouse. After all of that work, the girls have left, and I got it all set up for inside. Let's take a quick little walking tour. I've got the chicken heater in here so I can leave the plants in tonight. I got these shelves in, I got those shelves in, and I got my seedlings all in here. I think I'm going to actually move the aloe vera plant out here too, since the cat's digging that on the table. And then I can clean off my dining room table. So I'm going to move that out, and then I'm going to set this heater for 60 or 70 degrees tonight. And then, since the chickens don't need it, they even drilled a little hole for the cord right there to run it up. And they nailed it down. She bolted it down. So I'm just going to get some silicone and do some weatherproofing. But isn't it great? I'm super excited, everyone. The finished greenhouse. This was a little bit of a challenge to get together, but Ashley and Marty got it together. And here is a little door handle. It opens up. And inside it is super warm. I did have my heater on last night because it was cold. And here are all my little seed starts that I've done. Feels great in here. It is nice and humid. I moved my aloe vera out here because my cats attack this plant. It's kind of cute. And they fastened it down to the deck. They also drilled a little hole down here for the cord to come up through for the heater. And up here we have a window so we can ventilate it however much you want to. But you know, it's in the 50s today, so we're just going to leave it closed, and it's a perfect temperature. So it's a perfect size for my deck. I'm very happy with it. I'm happy with it now it's put together, but like I said, I don't know that I would personally recommend this one as far as the assembly goes. I know there are some that are very similar with this polycarbonate that were even on sale for less expensive, and on Amazon I believe. This one I got at Walmart, and I like it as far as the size and how it fits on my desk, but we did do some modifications. I'm probably going to do some more weatherproofing on the outside, just, for the weather. All right, everyone, thanks so much for watching. It's been a long weekend and I go back to work tomorrow. Be blessed, have a great day, and remember you're loved. Bye.